Hi, today we will cover behavioral design patterns, and first I will cover the explanation or definition of behavioral design patterns. And then I will also cover what and all patterns which will come under the behavioral design patterns. First we will see the explanation or definition of behavioral design patterns. I have found out three definition or explanation from web. I will read out one by one. This is the first explanation which I found from wiki. So I will read out first one. In software engineering, behavioral design patterns are design patterns that identify common communication patterns between objects and realize these patterns. By doing so, these patterns increase flexibility in carrying out this communication. Okay. So basically, this behavioral design patterns describe the communication between the two objects, how two objects will communicate with each other. So that is what this behavioral design patterns talk about. And next explanation. Behavioral patterns are those which are concerned with interaction between the objects. The interaction between the objects should be such that they are talking to each other and still are loosely coupled. The loose coupling is the key to entire architecture. So this behavioral design patterns concerned with interaction between the objects, and interaction between the object should happen and it should talk to each other, but the two objects should be loosely coupled. So loosely coupled is a key factor in the entire architecture, so it should be loosely coupled. And third definition is a behavioral pattern explains how objects interact. It describes how different objects and classes send message to each other to make things happen, and how the steps of task are divided among different objects. So basically this behavioral design pattern explain how two objects are interact, how objects or classes are sending messages to talk each other in order to accomplish some functionality. Okay. And next I will cover what and all patterns which will come under the behavioral design patterns. So this many patterns which will come under the behavioral design patterns. I will read out one by one. First one is chain of responsibility pattern, command pattern, interpreter pattern, iterator pattern, mediator pattern, memento pattern, observer pattern, or publisher subscribe pattern. So another name of observer pattern is publisher subscribe pattern. And state pattern, strategy pattern, template method pattern, visitor pattern, and null object pattern. So this many patterns which will come under the behavioral design patterns. uh, I have created videos for each and every pattern, and where I have explained uh, what is the definition of each and every pattern, and I have provided example, and I have explained how each patterns are working. Okay, so please log into my channel and watch each and every design pattern to understand this design patterns more. Okay, and this is about behavioral design patterns. Thanks for watching. Bye.